Hello everyone, I am back with a quick update. So as you may recall, I tried my hand at resin / epoxy for the first time. This was my supposed finished product for my first job. I really was not liking the veins that I had developed in the table. So because I needed to re-epoxy it because there were some dips and bumps and things, I went back over it with some more acrylic paint, and this is what I got. And then after this, I went ahead and added some more epoxy, sanded it down, and added a third coat of epoxy, and this is how it turned out. I also would like to add the fact that for the last 2 layers of epoxy, I also added some glitter in there. So you'll be able to see little hints of shimmer in there too, which makes it look even cooler. I used a little of a silver spray paint mixed with some regular paint to get my new veins, and I like those much better. Thank you so much for watching.